Have you ever opened a PDF and it shows an error saying cannot open file or something like this? It's frustrating, right? Especially when it's an important document, maybe your project report, an invoice, or study notes. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how you can easily repair a damaged or corrupted PDF file in just a few simple steps. A PDF file can get corrupted for many reasons. Maybe the download was not complete, the file got damaged while transferring, or your system crashed while saving it. Here's an example of a PDF that shows an error and it won't open properly. Now let's see how to fix it. There are many PDF editing tools available out there, but the one that always works best for me is Systweak PDF Editor. I would recommend you to try the same. You can download it using the link given in the description. First, open the file using the Systweak PDF Editor. In many cases, the software automatically detects the issue and shows a message asking if you want to repair the file. Just click yes and it will quickly repair and save the file in the same location. If that doesn't appear, we can manually use the Repair PDF option. Go to the Tools tab and select Repair PDF. Then click Add Files and choose the PDF you want to fix. Now click Repair PDF now. Wait a few moments while the software repairs your file. Once done, click OK and the repaired PDF will be saved automatically. Let's open it again. And as you can see, it's working perfectly now. That's it. Your damaged PDF is repaired and ready to use again. So that's how simple it is to repair a corrupted or damaged PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. And if you have any questions or run into issues, just drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.